Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and here on this channel I do everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please consider to subscribe and let's stay connected.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Hey friends, welcome to another cleaning motivation video. Today we're doing a fall after dark clean with me, and in this video I'm going to be tackling my kitchen and my living room. And as always, I like to show you guys the disaster before we start cleaning. So if your house looks like this or just need a tidy up and you need a cleaning buddy to hang out with while you clean up, just go ahead and put me on your screen and let's get our houses clean together.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so why can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying or not, building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, no.
Every time I'm cleaning my kitchen, I like to start with the kitchen island because this area gets so cluttered with all the stuff we put on it. It is so easy to just dump stuff on this island every time you come back from running your errands. So even before I can function, I like this area to be clear first. Let me know in the comment below what part of your house do you like to start your cleaning from. Is it from the kitchen, from the living room? Do you have any routine at all, or do you just go with the flow? Let me know in the comment below. I'll let you guys enjoy the music on this part of the video while I clean my cooktop. I always find this part so satisfying. So if you also do, please make sure to let me know in the comment below, and I'll talk to you guys after this music.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No.
Oof, now we're back. I don't know what it is with that song, but it always gets me so emotional. I think it is so calming and relaxing. Now I'm just going to wipe down all my appliances on this side of the kitchen, and I'm really taking my time with them because this is where all the cooking happens, so it is really greasy. So you're gonna see me use my microfiber cloth first to clean them, and then I'll follow with a paper towel to dry them off.
Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on the way. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. It looks like we made it. Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you my vaccine. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer.
If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I am so happy to have you here. My name is Abra, and on this channel you can expect all sort of cleaning motivation videos, laundry motivation videos, shop with me, and seasonal decorating ideas. Just a little bit of everything to keep you motivated to get things done around your house. So I hope you find the motivation you need in today's video to have you subscribe to the channel and join my growing YouTube family. I couldn't fit all my dishes in the dishwasher at once, so I did 2 loads, but the second load was done off camera.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar. To the shore, we'll never grow old. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. But everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder.
room is not too bad, so I'm just gonna clean it up very quick and put everything back to where it belongs. And this is my husband, always walking into my shots. Sometimes he just forget that I'm filming, and I just like to include some of this in the videos because this is real life. You don't shut down the house because you're filming YouTube videos. So yeah.
Something about you always makes it hard. My lipstick on your white shirt collar.
I'm using my broom because I don't want to use the vacuum to wake up the kids. That's the reason why you didn't see me vacuuming the rug in the living room. Even though I like using my broom, sometimes it's easier to use the vacuum, especially on rugs and carpets. And this is my least favorite part of cleaning, mopping. You guys, I hate mopping. Am I the only one? I know this tile is black and you can't really see how dirty it is, but trust me, it's really dirty. I'm gonna show you guys the water at the end. You're gonna be surprised by how dirty it is. I'm going to be mopping the whole kitchen and the living room will be next. So if you guys have any tip on how to make mopping easy and fun, drop it in the comment below because I'll be really interested. This is the water at the end, but I changed it twice and it's still this dirty, so that tells you how dirty my floor was. And no matter how quiet I tried to be, my baby girl woke up, but I'm glad she did at the end when I was done with everything. And she was like, "Mommy, I can't believe the water is this dirty." Of course, she didn't say that, but I'm sure she thought about it though.
There's some stains on your photo. Little cracks on your rusty frame. Stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here.
And guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on my next one.